again. So this video, I want to talk about something that is one of my kids' favorite things to do at Walt Disney World, and it is 100% free. That's right, it is free. First up, please check out my website, my blog. That usually corresponds to what I am filming for the week in my regular video, not the news. Also, check out my newest videos, the news. I release the news every Wednesday. Usually you don't see me. Usually I just do pictures because it's only a little short video. So, also check out my Twitter, my business Facebook page at Shelby Frick with Vacation with the Magic. That will all be down below. I am a travel agent and I specialize in Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, Disneyland, Disney. So if you have any questions or would like to book a trip and not do all of the grunt work and the legwork, please contact me. You can email me, usually the best bet, or message me on here and then I will send you my email address, but usually that all is down below. So, Captain Jack Sparrow's Pirate Tutorial. My son absolutely loves it. My daughter loves it too, but not as much as my son. He has always enjoyed it. Watching the show, being part of the show. He loves it. So location for it is across from Pirates of the Caribbean in Adventureland in the Magic Kingdom. So if you are walking into Adventureland and Pirates of the Caribbean is on your left, Captain Jack Sparrow's Pirate Tutorial will be on your right. You will see the stage. I always recommend, if you are interested in a show and say the show begins at 10 a.m., is to arrive about 9:45, 9:50. You can get a great spot to watch it. And usually nobody knows what's going on until the show starts. So that kind of helps in your favor. The show begins with Mac, and he is Captain Jack Sparrow's first mate. And he goes through a spiel about Captain Jack Sparrow and, keeping on the lookout. And then eventually Captain Jack Sparrow himself, I'm going to call him Jack Sparrow, takes the stage. Now, in the beginning, they pick about a half dozen so kids who come up on stage and they learn the ways of how to fight like a pirate and how to be a pirate. And they get to fight one-on-one with Mac, and usually one lucky child gets to fight Jack Sparrow. So it's really cool. And if you've ever seen Jedi training, it's kind of like that. They give them swords, fake swords, and so it's really cool. Then after they have that mini show, then they turn to the crowd and they ask for anybody else who would like to come up and take the oath and join Jack's crew. And they will choose all the kids who put their hands up. If they don't put their hands up, they will not choose you. They want you to be forthcoming because the kid does have to leave their parents and go up on stage. It's not far. And you'll see, it's a very tiny stage. So the kids get to go up on stage, whoever, and they will pick everybody. I've seen them where they've had them on the stage and then down on the ground as well. They will pick that many kids. They will not turn a child away. So they take the oath, and then each child will receive a scroll. So they get the little scroll, and it is tied by a little piece of twine. And the scroll says, "Be it known and beware, the bearer of this article has earned the rank of apprentice pirate and is pledged to the crew and therefore under the shelter and protection of the one and only Captain Jack Sparrow. Those failing to accord the bearer safe passage and their due respect will answer personally to me and may expect swift retribution for insult or injury inflicted. Cordially, Captain Jack Sparrow." That is the scroll. Every kid gets one that comes up on stage at the end. It's super cool. And that is it. It is a really, really cute show. There is a PhotoPass photographer there. And they do hand out the cards that then have the number on the back. And you can link it to your PhotoPass. So here is the PhotoPass card with the pirate on it. And this isn't coming in focus. This is the pirate steering the ship in Pirates of the Caribbean and the pirate symbol. And then on the back, and this is old, doesn't really matter, but there is a number And then you can just link that to your Photopass, and then it has the pictures on it from that pirate tutorial. The show's duration is about 20-25 minutes max. And if you have a child who is in a wheelchair, they are accessible. They can go, they can be on the ground and they can come up in their wheelchair as well. They won't be able to go up on stage, but they will still be able to participate in the show. So that is it. My kids absolutely love it. William always wants to see it every time we go. Sometimes he gets to be, one of the 6 original kids, and if not, that's okay too. They just absolutely adore it. It's a nice little break. There's no shade, so keep that in mind. That's why we try to catch the first show of the day. That I think is usually around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. show, because it is always, there's no shade, and Disney World can get hot. So I have included I'm going to include a little bit of video of William participating. The video is not the best. Like I said, there's no shade. So if you don't want us to watch the video, that's fine. I understand. But it does show William participating in the pirate tutorial. From the screen, when I was taking the shot, it looked clear. But then when I came back and looked at it, it wasn't clear. So.
Well, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Of course. If he ever gets here, me name is Mac. I have been sent directly by Captain Jack. Mac, he says, go into the square and gather a crowd for me pirate tutorial. He says.
Thank you, sir. So tell me, you itty-bitty people, can I trust you? Okay. Are we all friends then?
Yes!
Friendship is a very important thing, isn't it?
Friendship.
But a pirate's best friend is fear.
Fear.
Comes back at you never know. Now come this way. Are you ready? Hit him. Other side. Thrust to the belly. Point your finger. Say, look.
Hey, he got away too.
Poetry in motion, that one. Now you, sir. Yo-ho! Yo-ho! Everyone out there, yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
I do believe you're worthy. All that's left is that pirate oath. Mac, hand him those papers and swear them to that pirate thing.
Aye, aye, Captain. Everyone, hold on to your papers in your starboard hand. Everyone, turn and face the Captain. Now signify your pledge to the Captain by saying aye on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Aye. Everybody out here. 1, 2, 3.
Aye.
Cameron, are you ready? Aye. What happened to I? Are you ready?
Aye.
Do you pledge to abide by that pirate code?
Aye.
And do you pledge to take only your fair share of spoils acquired during our enterprise?
Aye.
We kidnap and ration, don't give a hint. Drink off me, hearty yo-ho. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
If you have any questions, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.